Okay, I'm going to try to remove the belt, the drive belt, off my 2016 Sportsman 570 without taking off the primary clutch or the secondary clutch. Let's see if I can do it. It's really not that bad. Could probably go with it, but I just changed the one on my other one, so I'm just going to keep them both the same. I'll go ahead and try to change this one too. So, first let's try to walk it off. I doubt this is going to work. Not much slack. Try giving it a good pull first to separate the... Nope, not much there. Ow. Okay, that's not doing much. Okay, it's starting to come across. Getting pretty tight, but I'm starting to get it over. Okay, that did its job. Just being careful not to hurt the edge of the cover. Okay, looks like I'm getting it. Success. Yeah. Okay. Part 2, I'll put it back on. Alright, part 2, I'm going to try to get the drive belt back on my Sportsman 570 without using any tools or removing the primary or secondary clutches. Let's see if we can make it work. It came off, but this belt's tighter, I'm sure. Okay, I've already got it started on the primary. I'm going to try from the top down first. Just rotate it around. Tension on the back. See if I can do this without pinching the hell out of my fingers. I'll be surprised. Alright, so it doesn't really want to turn that way. Okay, I can't keep enough tension on it down in this weird spot to keep it feeding around the outside lip of the secondary. So I'm going to try it from the bottom up and reverse it here. Okay, it seems to be feeding on a little better that way. Still tight as hell though. Trick is just to keep tension on it back here as it's feeding on. Don't let it slip down. That's the challenge. I think I almost got it. Oh, it's going to pinch the hell out of my fingers when it goes over. But you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's feeding around. I've got it about 90% of the way now. I think we got it. Alright. One last spin. Yeah, success. I have it on the right way. Yeah. Good deal. Didn't have to remove anything.